Hello, as you can see in this question, it is asked which feature of the graph allows acceleration to be determined. Now, area under displacement and time graph, no, because it will be S versus T. Sorry, S into T. So this is not acceleration at all. So first option is a incorrect answer. Area under velocity time. Similarly, V versus T time graph. If we find out V into T, we are basically finding out displacement. So this is wrong. This is wrong. Slope of displacement time graph. So this one, displacement time graph. So if I find out the slope, that means S by T, which is nothing but velocity. So this is not correct. So we are left out with the fourth option, D. It is automatically correct, but let us see the slope of the velocity time graph. So velocity versus time graph. Velocity versus time graph. This is the line, and if we find out the slope, that will be rise by run. That means V by T. V by T is nothing but acceleration. So this is the correct answer. Thank you.